Hello guys, good evening guys. Today I'm going to show you what is good, what to remove black spot away from your hands, away from your hands. If you have black spots all over your skin, you will clear it away. It will clear it will treat your skin and move black spots with cleaning and other things. So you will wipe your skin and clean away your. Today you can mix it. This is Clinic Clear. So if you are rubbing any kind of cream, you can mix it all over your cream. You can mix it any kind of cream that you are rubbing. Just mix it inside the cream. It's also good. Remove black spots away from heat and clear your skin very well. Clinic Clear whitening body oil deeply treat your skin and improve your skin to a better skin and clear and remove black spots away from your skin. The cream is there. If you want, you can rub the cream and also mix it. But this cream is bleaching. Is the oil and the cream is the oil is bleaching oil. The cream is bleaching cream. But if you like me, but if you want to rub, if you want to rub Clinic Clear whitening body oil, you can rub it. But if it's good for you, it's not good for you, you can leave it. So Clinic Clear whitening oil, you can use it to mix any kind of cream that you are rubbing. But if you want to mix it, so that if you're not looking, if you don't want the oil to bleach your skin, if you don't want it to bleach your skin, if you want to mix it into the cream, just drop a little. Don't drop too much of the oil, because if you drop too much of the oil, it will just whiten your skin and whitening your skin. It will just whitening your skin finish. It will just make your skin to white totally. It will bleach your skin. So it's a bleaching cream. So this cream works very well. This cream works very well on skin, and it removes black spot away from your skin. You can mix it in any kind of cream that you are rubbing. You can just apply this a little in the cream and just rub on your body. You can mix it. But if you don't want to mix the oil, if you don't want to mix this oil, if you don't want to mix it in any kind of cream that you are rubbing, if you feel you want to rub the oil on your body like that, you want to rub it on your body like that, so you can rub it, but because the cream is ash and it's bleaching cream, it can make you to bleach or make your skin to white. So but if you don't want something that will make your skin to white, or just apply this on your skin, especially your hand and your leg in the evening time. If you want to go and sleep, apply it on your hand and your hand and leg, because it will remove the black spot away from your if you remove the black spot away from your hand and your leg. If you want to apply it, just apply it like this, a little for your arm and legs every night. If you want to go and sleep, then we clear everything. We clear the black spot away from your hands. We clear it. Just apply it all over your body. It will clear it and make your body soft and smooth. But you can rub it day and night. You can still rub in it. You can say, but is how I rub mine I'm telling you about, because I'm rubbing this thing, and sometimes, and if I want to rub it, I just apply the oil over my skin, my body, my hands, my leg, only in the night when I want to go and sleep. So I apply this on my skin. I don't rub cream. Maybe if I take my bath, I don't rub cream in the evening time. When I took my bath in the evening, I don't rub the cream. I just apply this oil, rub only this oil on my leg and my hand. So you can rub it on your leg and your hand, all over your body if you want. But this is how I rub mine, and you can mix it inside cream, but I don't mix this oil into my cream. I only apply it on my body. Apply it on my skin only evening time, because I don't rub cream like that. I rub cream, normally cream, in the afternoon, daytime, but once it's night, if I take my bath, I rub this. This works very well, because if you're rubbing it day, it will make your skin every day. You're rubbing it day, afternoon, morning, evening, it will make your skin white and will bleach. It's a bleaching oil. The oil is bleaching oil, but it's good for the skin. It works very well. But most people complain about this oil, that this oil is a bleaching oil, but it's the way you rub it. That's why. It's the way you apply it. It's the way you rub it. You rub the cream on your skin that is making it to bleach. It's the way you rub it. You can rub this if you want to rub the oil or the cream on your skin. Maybe if you want to rub any kind of cream, they don't used to rub cream like that. If you want to rub cream, you rub cream like today. Tomorrow when you take your bath, don't rub cream. Or you rub cream like in the morning, but when you took your bath in the evening, just sleep like that. That is how cream works. But you just have to be applying cream on your skin day and night, making your skin to bleach and to bleach. So if you want to rub cream, this is how they rub cream. I apply this on my body only evening time. Sometimes I don't rub cream. I just put on cloth and sleep. It will not affect you. But if you are rubbing the cream every time, rubbing it over, it's too much of thing, cause something on your skin. If you are too using it, it will cause something on your skin and give you other things. You are too using like cream, other things, and oil, well, you know that this oil is fair and is a whitening oil. You are too using it, it will cause something on your skin. Too much of something is not good for body. Too much of something is not good for the skin. Overdose, that's why they said overdose. Overdose is not good for the skin. So this is how I rub my cream. So that is how I'm telling you if you want. But most of you also complaining that cream is not working, Cream is not working. Not everyone, this cream must work. It didn't say this. They didn't say this oil must, or the oil or the cream must work in everybody's skin. No. It might work for you, it might not work for you, but it might work for others. The cream you tried today that didn't work for you, the same cream is the same cream. You will see that it is working is working for someone's skin. Something that you tried didn't work for you will be working with, and it will be working for that person's skin also. So that is why they say the cream you use may not work for that person. Will work for you. All skin are not the same. Everybody has a different kind of skin. Everybody has a different kind of skin. Everybody has a different kind of skin. And everybody has their own different kind of cream that will work on their skin. Did you get me? But if you want to rub it, the reason why cream today bleach many people is the way you rub it. It's the way you use it and the way you use things and you rub things. The way you use things. Don't be rubbing it things like that. Just rub it according to the way it will be good for your skin. Don't go and be rubbing it because you want to fail, because you want to go on white. Because if you are too rubbing cream, it will cause something on your skin because you too use it. That is what they said. Something you too use these things. You too use something. You too use it. That is why. So like me, I apply it on my hand, on my leg, all over my body also. If I'm going to bed. Sometimes I don't rub cream. I only rub on side because I know the one that you apply on your skin. The one you apply on your skin is still on your skin. It will be still working. It's just little small. Cream used to work little. You can rub it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and just say, don't be too hurried. Be expecting something to work today. Be expecting cream to work on your skin today or tomorrow or what. Don't be too hurried. Calm down and use it. That is how the cream work on your skin. So that is it. So it remove black spot away from your skin and clear your skin. It make it soft and smooth and shine. It works very well for skin. It works very well. It works very well for your skin. I've been using it and I'm still using these things. I apply it on my skin. And then sometimes I mix it with my cream. Sometimes I pour a little with inside my cream and use. You can mix it. You can mix it with any kind of cream that you are rubbing. It's good. And use it. You can use it. So this is how cream works. Cream doesn't work 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. No. Cream doesn't work like that. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. No. Clinique Clear body whitening body oil works very well. Clear and protect your skin. It removes everything away from your skin. This skin, there's nothing wrong with this cream. There's nothing. It's the way you apply the cream on your skin. So it clear and protects your skin. It's the way you use cream that damage your skin. It's the way you use cream that didn't work for you, that damage your skin. You too use it, and especially the oil. This oil, I love it so much because I'm still using it even now. You can this oil 1 year, 2 years, 3 years is still inside my cupboard. I apply it, but it's not like that. It worked very well for me, but many people complain that it didn't work, that it's making their skin to bleach. No. No. For me, it didn't make me to bleach. But I don't know what's about you, because that is why I always said what worked for me might not work for you. What worked for others might not work for me also. Because maybe it's the way you are using it, that is why. But to tell you the truth, this thing worked very well, and it clear and remove black spots away from your skin. It clears your skin and smooth and make it soft. So try it. It may be good for you. Try it and see. Try it. Like 1 month, 2 months, you can try it. Try it. Don't just use it today and say it didn't work. You can use it 1 month, 3 months, maybe none. The cream, you can rub the cream. Just apply this on your skin. The cream works very well. But if you want to use the oil, you can apply the oil in any cream that you are using. Just apply it in any cream that you are using. It will remove black spots away from your skin. It will clear your face, clear everything away from your skin, and make your skin to soft and smooth. Just try it and use it. So thank you. If you like my video and if you are new to my channel, please drop your comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like.